Welcome back, everyone. Today's panel discussion is on Pakistan's innovation paradox, talent rich, opportunity poor. We want to bridge talent, technology, and opportunity for a future-ready Pakistan. Giving a warm welcome to a true architect of program, Progress AVM Asad Ikram.
Point here is, technology can take you somewhere, but not everywhere. Technology will not always be right. It's the people behind technology that matter. The mindset, the thought process. And that is what humans have. Innovation जो होती है, that is even in the processes, हमारी governance के processes, हमारे पढ़ाने के processes, हमारे पढ़ने के processes. Innovation हर चीज़ में होती है.
It's a great occasion for all of us to get together here, not only to celebrate the innovation culture in Pakistan, but also to highlight and diagnose a few of the problems that we are faced with today. Today, we all know that Pakistan is blessed with the most young population in the world, and this blessing is with us, and has already been highlighted by Sarah said that this window is not there forever. It's a 15 years window that's available to us to do something or to left behind.
Pakistan has one of the highest out-of-school children in the world. 26.2 million बच्चे इस वक्त स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हैं. Who should be in school? I really believe कि हम लोग जब तक तालीम पे नहीं काम करेंगे, नहीं इन्वेस्ट करेंगे as a country, तब तक हम ये challenges overcome नहीं करेंगे. There are multiple things, but this is the foundation and a starting point for us in terms of looking at country's economic growth.
So you have to be dead sure and clear without confusion that this you have to do in your life. Otherwise, जब आप confusion का शिकार हैं, ये करना है, नहीं करना, job करनी है, business करना है, the confusion leads you to nowhere. Job करनी है, you can end up being the CEO of a large corporate. See India. They end up having, CEOs of Microsoft, Google, Amazon, everywhere they are. So in job criteria, you have to set your path. So it means, what is future-ready Pakistan for us?
I think the biggest gap that I see is when young people transition from education to the real world. जब वो transition होता है, तो that's when they need all these skills and more. And unfortunately, वो उनकी develop नहीं हुई भी होती. And that is because they spend years and years of their life every day sitting on desks 6 to 8 hours every day, getting overloaded with information. And वो information जो है उनको सिर्फ exams pass कराती है, उनको real world के लिए ready नहीं करती.
We have multiple challenges inside the Pakistan, and through Prime Minister Office last year we have signed an important LOI, and we are working on climate change, earthquake seismology, and some other disaster like floods. So the potential is there. We are already engaging youth into the scientific community.
अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि what is Pakistani face? So what do you define as a Pakistani face? गिलगित से शुरू करें, इस्लामाबाद, केपी, पंजाब, सिंध, बलूचिस्तान. It's diverse. पाकिस्तान का स्किन कलर क्या है? It's equally diverse. Close to Chinese up in the Gilgit, and close to Middle East or Africa down in Gwadar or somewhere. So we have everything.
Today's been a very special day. And I'd like to share something because for me it's special. One, because so many people with so many ideas are gathered together in one room, particularly the youth. And that makes a great difference. Looking at you, I feel young in that sense, to that sense that yes, there is a future for Pakistan. We look forward to doing a lot of things with you, right? And we wanted you to feel this, what we are. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.